And in my weekly analysis also, I did say told that NASDAQ 100 can hit 12,900, which is a very good support, and then 12,800 the next support zone. Likewise, US30 first support at 33,000, and then 32,800 and 700 should provide a stronger support. Both almost achieved the levels. I hope you all profited. I told you in the same in the yesterday's analysis also. This is why it is important to watch the analysis and listen to it carefully. I hope you all profited. Missing on to subscribe is definitely missing on to profits out there, as I share my analysis twice a day on US30 and US100. One with this, that is the Asia session, and next update will be up before the US cash session. Do subscribe, do like, share and comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. First we'll look at into NASDAQ 100 and then followed with US30. Do watch till the end. Look at the hourly charts. See again on the hourly charts, it is trying to still trade in this bearish channel. It has achieved the retracement levels, now trying to drop below 12,900. It will again call for a little drop. Then you can again expect 12,850 and 800 levels. 800 is definitely a very strong support. On the upside, once you see it trading beyond 12,950, go long for 13,000 levels again. And remember, 13,050 is the next milestone, which is a very strong resistance zone. Directional movement bearish, stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. MACD has crossed over for a bullish move. RSI is oversold, trying to bounce back. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, likewise you find it is trading in this bearish channel. On the upside, 13,000 level should be a very strong resistance, and then 13,050. Trading beyond 13,050 will call for a little bullishness. Then 13,100 and 200. For the week, 13,200 is the level you should watch out for. If and only if 13,200 is broken, then you should consider that is a bullish reversal. Then it will fly high. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking upwards. MACD is bearish so far, willing to converge. It may converge from here. It may give you greener candles from here. RSI is oversold, trying to bounce back. Likewise, if you see the 3-hour charts, wow, beautiful. And how many red candles it has seen. Now trying to reverse of one green candle after long time has been seen. Probably next green candle can also be seen, where it may break till towards 12,950 levels. And yes, as I say, with the stop loss at 12,900, you can stay long. Probably you can expect a little reversal till towards 13,000, and in fact 13,050 cannot be denied, and in fact it can fly beyond those levels. Directional movement extremely bearish. Stochastic is extremely oversold, trying to bounce back from here. MACD trying to it is bearish, but it is trying to converge. RSI extremely oversold, we can see a little rise. On the 4-hour charts to see, it has seen a low out there, but remember, previous two candles were lower lows, and this time it can achieve lower highs till 12,950. You have to be little bit alert. Beyond 12,950, it will definitely call for further bulls. Then 13,000 is the next target. 13,000, 13,040, 13,130 is the next target. Only bullishness is beyond 13,200 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI oversold. Most indicators on most time frames are oversold. Only the nearest to hourly time frames are certain, which is indicating it to in the overbought zone. Now look at the charts on the daily time frame. Did not I tell you that it must cover the journey till here? It has precisely covered the journey till here. What is the next target? Did not I tell you that mostly 12,800 is the next support zone? If it continues to drop, 12,800 is going to be a very strong support, and below that it is going to fall till towards 12,500, 12,400 levels. Be watchful of 12,900. How many times did not I tell? In my weekly analysis, daily analysis, since last week I am giving this shout here. So almost it has erased the gains from last 2 to 3 weeks within just 3 candles. Now also look at this here on the daily charts. It has got a gap yesterday, and only breakout beyond 13,200 should be good enough for it to fill this gap. Then 13,300 plus levels can be seen. Right now it is trying to rise, probably with the stop loss test 12,900. You can stay long, and then you can expect 12,950, 13,000. In fact, 13,040 and 13,130 levels should be 13,130 definitely should be a stronger resistance on the downside. Once it breaks below 12,800 1,280 you can go short below 12,880, and then below 12,880 you can expect it to achieve 12,800 and below levels. Directional movement has crossed over for a bearish move. Stochastic is oversold here. MACD is just 4 candles away and it is extremely bearish out there. It has still room for it to drop. RSI trading flat. So on the daily chart it appears it is still some room. On the near time frame it appears it is room or scope for rise, and hence yes, it is confirmed that it is still into the bearish trade or reversal confirmation. Only bullishness confirmation is if you see it trading beyond 13,200. Till the time it trades below 13,200, every rise is good to go short. One can expect, see right now, till the time it trades about 12,900, you can expect it to rise for 12,950, 13,000. 13,000 definitely a stronger resistance. Beyond that, 13,040 and 13,130 levels are the next resistance there. Achieving those levels, it can drop again, and be watchful of 12,880. Below 12,880 you have to take another short entry for 12,800, 12,740 and 12,700 levels. And then if it drops below those levels, definitely 12,400, 500 zones should be achieved this week itself. Take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at US30 on the hourly charts, creating the base out there close to 33,000 levels, now trying to rise. And also remember the resistance there here at 33,100, almost 20-30 levels, rather I will say 33,150 itself. You can go long beyond 33,150, then one can expect 33,200, 240, 50 zone, and beyond that it will fly a little. Be watchful of 33,250 today. If it breaks past 33,250, it will call for the next target at around 33,400 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is bullish. It has just crossed over. 2 candles apart. It may continue to give you greener candles. RSI looking upwards. It was oversold there. Look at the 2-hour chart. It is trying to retrace a little on the upside with the support at 33,000. It is trying to rise. It may give a breakout. Only long entry I will suggest. If it breaks beyond 33,150, then you can expect 33,200, 240 and then 33,400 levels to provide a good resistance. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is bearish, willing to converge crossover. RSI oversold, trying to bounce back. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts likewise, see, first thing is it is trying to give you lower highs, higher lows, indicating it is willing to consolidate a bit. Just be watchful of 33,150. If you see it trading beyond 33,150, go long for 33,200, 240 and then 33,400. 33,400 is the extreme, and this is going to be an critical resistance level. If it breaks past 33,400, you can consider this as little bullish. Directional movement extremely bearish. Stochastic extremely oversold. MACD bearish. RSI oversold. On the 4-hour charts, likewise, if you see on the 4-hour charts, so similar is the observation with the support at 33,000. It is trying to rise. Probably it can come back till towards 33,200, 250 zone, which is good resistance. Then 33,400 the next resistance. If it breaks past this, you can consider this as little bullish, and 33,600 levels can be seen. Beyond 33,600, it is a strong reversal. Then we can expect again 34,000 plus level. I don't think so that is going to happen. Rather, the one which I said in my weekly analysis, 32,700. 800 zone is highly probable, and below that also 32,400, 500 can be seen. It can bounce back from those levels, so you have to be cautious. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is oversold. See, most indicators on most time frames are oversold, barring the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see, yes, it is still trying to trade bullish. It is still trying to trade in this channel, and if you see, it is still a diverging triangle. The breach below 33,000 will call for a good drop. Remember, the breach below 33,000 will call for a good drop. And see this, the zone there till 33,200, 250 and 300 levels, it is going to give you the stronger resistance. This is the 20 period moving average. On the downside, you can expect the support there only at 32,700 and then 32,600 levels. So breaking below 33,000, definitely there is no other option but to go short and then expect 32,800, 700 to provide a support, and below that it can drop further. On the upside, go long at 33,150 and then expect it to get resistance at around 33,250. to 40 levels, first resistance, and then 33,300 and 33,400 levels. 33,400 definitely a stronger resistance. If it breaks past it, then only consider it is to be little bit bullish, else it may reverse from those levels and again expect it to drop. Below 33,000 we can expect a stronger drop for 32,800, 32,700 levels. Directional movement bullish, willing to converge. Stochastic oversold. MACD has just crossed over 2 candles apart. We can see further more red candles. Stay cautious. RSI trading flat but with a little drop. I think it has to come back till towards 32,800, 700 zone first and then towards 32,500 levels. Next target possibly. Till the time it trades below 33,600, one can remain short and one can sell every rise. If not today, possibly tomorrow, we can again expect a drop, but rather a safe entry is below 33,000. Below 33,000 you can again expect it to continue with the bearish momentum and a strong fall can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. For the day you can go long above 33,150. Beyond that expect it to little rise till 33,400. It can reverse again. Beyond 33,400 I will be moderately bullish for 33,550 and 600 zone next target, and then from there a drop can be expected. If beyond 33,600, sky is the limit. 34,000 must be seen. On the downside, go short. If you see it dropping below 33,150, 33,000 levels rather, below 33,000 you can go short for 32,900, 32,800, 32,700, 32,600 and 500. It has the, see, sky is the limit, and first resistance zone, as I told, is between 32,700, 800. Very strong support there. Then 32,400, 500 levels will come into picture. Take your trades accordingly. Take your positions accordingly. Do not miss to subscribe. Do not miss to comment, and do not miss to become the pattern out there. Support the channel. Become a pattern, or else you can be a part of my mentorship batch or my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.